What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing another super cheap and easy and affordable mod that I know you guys are going to like. Pretty much what I'm going to be doing is new cluster lights on the 240 because the white ones are just too basic and they're getting pretty boring, so I want to spice it up a bit. So I'm going to be throwing some colorful ones in there. You guys probably already saw the thumbnail, so you guys know what I'm doing. But yeah, I haven't worked on the 240, haven't done a video on the 240 in a while, so we're going to be working back on the 240. I've been working on this truck for about 3 weeks now, and I'm getting kind of, frustrated, not really frustrated with it, but I kind of just want to, not work on it so much, and I kind of want to work on the 240, so that's why I'm working on the 240 today. I bought these lights, I would say, like 3 months ago. I just haven't installed them. 1, because I forgot I even had them. 2, I forgot I even bought them. And 3, well, I didn't have time to work on it. So pretty much what happened is one day I was at school, I bought them, completely forgot I bought them. Don't even know where I bought them, what colors I even got, or like how much I even paid for them, but I believe it was under $25. And one day I get it in the mail, and I'm like, what the heck is this? It was a little box. I wasn't even sure what it was. And then I found them, and I was like, oh, the lights I bought. I forgot I even bought these. At first I was like, wait, why am I getting lights? Completely forgot I even bought them. So today we're gonna be throwing those on, and yeah, I want to start working on the 240 again because it's just such a cool car. Like I'm falling in love with it again. I know it's been my dream car, and I fell in love with it, but I guess you could say the more I drive it, the more I fall in love with it, which goes for any car, I guess you can say. But man, that car is just like perfect daily. It slides good, it looks good. The only thing it needs, I would say, is a body kit. A little hint, you guys probably can't see. No, you can't see? Yeah, you guys probably can't see because it's bad lighting. But that right there is a KBD front bumper. If you guys don't know what that is, those super flexible ones that are kind of like impossible to crack. But I only have a front bumper, so I still need side skirts and I still need a rear bumper, and I need some more aggressive wheels. But that'll come in the future. Gotta focus on today's video. I already started tearing it apart, but I just want to show you guys a little before. I know they flicker. These things are really old. It's another reason why I'm replacing them. But you can see right there the basic white. I know this little clicking is annoying, but there you go, a little before. I know you guys don't really want to see me tear apart this whole thing because you guys are probably doing this on different cars, so this doesn't even really matter to you. So I'm gonna try to keep it short and simple and cut to the chase, and I'm gonna just tear all this out, change them out for you, maybe possibly show you how to change them out, and then show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, I have everything torn apart. I didn't want to take it out because then it'd be even harder. I did disconnect this one, but I only disconnected one, so that should be pretty much easy to plug in. But pretty much you want to see these little, I guess you could say like orange brown. You just want to twist them and then pull them out, and there you are. You guys probably can't see it, but you could tell that the previous owner, or one of the previous owners, put LED lights in there. So these aren't the original ones, but they were probably cheap ones, so it didn't last that long. But I'm gonna keep these just in case, and if I need them for anything else. But yeah, pretty much what you do is pull out the other bulb and then get this bulb right here. I don't know how to do it with one hand, but you take that one out and you put this one back in there, and yeah, you pretty much plug it in and do everything back together, and then yeah, it's that simple. I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Let me just put all this mess back together. Alrighty guys, they're on. I know it looks really white on this side, but in person it's really blue over here and it's like really purple over here, but it looks kind of pinkish. But I don't know if there's a way that you can tell what way they go, because you could put it in like this and you could twist it and put it like that. Let me know if there's a way that you can tell how to put it. But just so you guys know, don't put it in there and then install everything back on and then check while you're doing it, while your cluster's like this still loose, because you could put it in like this and it won't read, and then you could twist it and then put it, and then it will read, and then it'll turn on. I'm pretty sure that has something to do with the power in the ground. It's like you feeding the ground power and trying to get ground from the power. So just a little note, little FYI, so you don't put everything back together and then you try to fire it up and then only one turns on. So I decided to throw my wheel on there, just see what it would look like. But there you go guys. Just a little, I don't know why it's not in focus. I don't think it's on, oh, it's on manual focus. I'm a retard. The camera isn't really picking it up, but this is like purple and this is like blue, but this looks like white in camera, like on the viewfinder, and this looks like light pink, but in person this is really purple. I think when I ordered this, I think I ordered purple, pink, and blue, and I got purple and almost white and blue, and this right here is just purple and blue. But I am going to order a pink one, or maybe a different color, just change it up. But yeah, I am going to be doing something with coloring in like Sharpie. It's going to look dope, it's going to be cool, it's going to be super cheap. So if you guys, want to see that video, I definitely recommend subscribing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are as stoked as I am to be finally working on the 240 once again. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, you guys already know what to do. Also, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this. Do you guys think this is stupid? Do you guys think it's cool? I'm like 100% sure I paid under $25 for this. I'm pretty sure I paid under 20, but I don't want to like, lie to you guys, but I'm pretty sure this is like a $25 job. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Is it worth it, or is it not worth it? Is it cool, or is it just rice? Yeah, so I'm gonna quickly edit this video, probably play some Fortnite, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.